Graphing linear equations using intercepts. Using tables to graph lines can become time-consuming, so other techniques are used depending on the form of the equation we're given. Only 2 points are needed to graph a line, so when an equation is in standard form, x and y intercepts can be used for graphing. The x-intercept is where a graph of an equation passes through the x-axis. The coordinates of the x-intercept are a, 0, where a is any real number. So the x-intercept of this linear equation is 2, 0. The y-intercept is where a graph of an equation passes through the y-axis. The coordinates of the y-intercept are 0, b, where b is any real number. So this line passes through the point 0, -2. The technique of using intercepts works well when an equation is written in standard form. Recall that a linear equation written in standard form is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers. To find the x-intercept, 0 is substituted in for y. To find the y-intercept, 0 is substituted in for x. Find the x and y intercepts in the equation 3x plus 5y equals 15. Then graph the equation. To find the x-intercept, we're going to let y equal 0. If we do that, this term goes away. We have 3x equals 15, divide both sides by 3, and therefore the x-intercept is 5. 5, 0. To find the y-intercept, we let x equal 0. Therefore this term goes away, leaving us 5y equals 15, divide both sides by 5, and we get y equals 3. Therefore, the y-intercept is 0, 3. Finally, we graph those 2 points, the y-intercept and the x-intercept, and we connect them with a straight line. Find the x and y-intercepts in the equation 4x minus 3y equals 12. Then graph the equation. To find the x-intercept, first we let y equal 0. So this term goes away. 4x equals 12, divide both sides by 4, we get an x-intercept of 3. To find the y-intercept, we let x equal 0. That term goes away, leaving us negative 3y equals 12, divide both sides by negative 3, and we get a y-intercept of negative 4. We plot those 2 points, the x-intercept of 3, the y-intercept of negative 4, then we connect the dots with a straight line. Find the x and y intercepts of y equals 3x minus 9. Then graph the equation. To find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0. So the left side of the equation becomes 0. We add 9 to both sides, we divide by 3, and we get an x-intercept of 3. To find the y-intercept, we let x equal 0. So therefore this term goes away, and we have y equals negative 9. Then we graph the x and y intercepts and connect the points with a line.